Step 1. Install UMN Google from an administrator prompt using command install -module space -name UMN -Google. Hit yes to all to complete the installation. Step 2. Open PowerShell ISE, and the first thing is to import the module. Next, we're going to set the security protocol to TLS 1.2 to avoid TLS errors. Then we have to deal with Google API authorizations. So set these variables. Scope to the spreadsheets, cert path to the location where you download your P12 file. ISS will be the service account you are using, and your cert password. Next, we're going to try and generate an access token within a try-catch block, like so. So if we run this, and we just run access token, you should get a random set of strings, like so. Now, this is the Google sheet I'm going to be targeting, specifically sheet 1, the test sheet. And we're going to need the sheet ID, and the sheet ID is going to be defined after the d/ up until the /edit. So this string of characters here is going to be my sheet ID. So you want to grab this, and we're going to use this as a variable in our PowerShell. Now let's set that value into our spreadsheet ID variable. Okay, now to view the data, we're simply going to run the get sheet data like this. We pass our access token, we pass our sheet name, which will be sheet 1, our spreadsheet ID, which we have set in our spreadsheet ID variable, and our cell we define as all data. Let's put that in a variable called data. If we run this, and then we view our data, we get the values in our Google spreadsheet. Thanks.